Hi, today I'm going to discuss chapters 5, 6, and 15 of my speech communications book. Chapter 5 starts out with choosing a topic. You want to either do two things: subjects you know a lot about or a subject you want to know more about. You need to brainstorm for these topics. Personal inventory, clustering, and internet search are the three ways to brainstorm for any topics that you would like to talk about. In order to have a successful speech, you must determine the general purpose and determine the specific purpose. You must have a specific purpose statement, so limit your purpose statement to one distinct idea. It can't be too vague or general, and make sure it meets the assignment, accomplished in the time allotted, relevant to the audience, and not too trivial or too technical. You need to phrase a central idea. It should be expressed in a full sentence and should not be in the form of a question. It should avoid figurative language and should not be vague or overly general. And in chapter 6, the book talks about analyzing the audience. Good public speakers are audience-centered. Psychology of audience and the demographic audience analysis. You must identify the general demographic features, gauge the importance of those features to the speaking situation. This is age, gender, religion, sexual orientation, racial, ethnic, or cultural backgrounds, and group membership. Situational audience analysis includes the size, the physical setting, and the disposition towards the topic, which is the interest, the knowledge, and the attitude. The disposition toward the speaker and the disposition toward the occasion. Chapter 6 also talks about adapting to the audience. Before you do your speech, you must adapt beforehand. You need to assess how the audience will likely respond and adjust what you say to make it clear. During the speech, you must understand that something could go wrong and you'll have to be able to adapt. Like, say for instance, your visual aid goes out, you need to be able to adapt and try to talk without the visual aid. And then chapter 15 talks about speaking to inform, the informative speeches. Speeches about objects, processes, events, and concepts. Don't overestimate what the audience knows already and relate the subject directly to the audience. Don't be too technical and avoid abstractions. And personalize your ideas and be creative. And that's all.